Hi everybody, this is Lance from ThetaTraders.com. Just wanted to do a quick vlog post here on a regular schedule we're going to be doing on this channel. So every Sunday evening, I'm going to be going over some technical analysis on the major indices, some individual stocks that I'm considering and looking at bullish and bearish setups for it. We'll also look at economic reports for the week, and that'll be on Sunday evening. On Wednesday evening, I'm going to be doing a video on a basic strategy involving option selling, whether it's looking at the Greeks, looking at cascade puts, covered calls, spreads, and whatnot. And then on Friday evening, we're going to go over some of the results that we had at thetatraders.com. So it'll be a regular schedule here. It'll all be available on this YouTube channel. And just wanted to give some positive economic and technical analysis to the community. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment down below. If there's any type of strategies you'd like me to go over for the Wednesday video, just leave a comment and let me know. And just give me some constructive feedback on how these videos will be. So stay tuned. Again, Sunday night, technical analysis on the indices, economic reports. Wednesday evening, a strategy video. And Friday evening will be some of the results from our trades. Have a good one, guys.